We are in Erie, Colorado. We're drilling a water supply well for the town of Erie. This water supply well is somewhat unique in that it's a horizontal well.
The city is looking for all the water they can get. They're behind on building houses because they can't supply enough water. So we're here to help them do that.
We're drilling alongside a riverbank, a stream bank, and there's only 10 foot of water that's saturated in the soils before you get to hard rock. And that means a vertical well can only get that minimal thickness of 10 foot. Whereas a horizontal well, we can go to the bottom, right at the top of the rock, right on the rock gravel interface and run all the way across. So now we've got 600 feet of well screen that can suck down all 10 feet of that water, and it really gives it a huge advantage in production capability. This job is about a 1,000-foot well and 10 inches in diameter. We're drilling through some tough ground, cobble and gravel, and for that we've got about a 200,000-pound rig on this set.
Well, the drilling in the steering is basically the hardest thing that we've got going on right now. You've got to stay on top of it. We've been taking shots every 3 to 5 foot to keep everything. They want it right on line, and it's pretty difficult to do in this material.
The drill rig is one of the key components. The other key component is the mud system, which is really a drilling fluid recycling system that supplies clean fluid to the drill rig, and the drill rig pumps it down the borehole and recovers this mud system back at the entry pit. It's pumped into the mud system where dirty drill cuttings and rock are removed from the drill mud and pumped back to the rig. So there's two main components of the mud system and the drill rig. When we use HDD to install a well, our primary purpose is not to install something that doesn't communicate with the ground, it's to install something that communicates with the ground. So it leads to different drilling techniques that ensure once you've installed your conduit that it actually functions. There's really no other company in the country that really does what we do. The town of Erie and Leonard Rice, the engineer, and Ellingson DTD worked together to come up with the design and implement the installation of that design. We have been part of the team to help ensure we're installing a well that is not only constructible, but produces the water desired in the end.